Okay, while we're getting oriented and finding our way down to the totems, we found a giant cedar. Go stand under it, babe. Babe, babe, babe. Just kidding, I love you. Go closer. Closer. Holy crap. Spread your arms out. Okay, hang on. I'm walking into the water. Let's hold hands. Look at, we're holding hands. Putting our steps. Woo! That's cool. In the friggin' West Coast Ocean. Ooh, I'm like sinking. All right, let me get a video of you in that hot log. Look at you. You're made for the beach, baby. Horsies. Look at the pretty horsies. Are those Clydesdales? I bet you they are. Those are my favorite.